Hi guys, it's Sarah. I'm back with another video. Today I am making some Christmas cards because I thought that would be a fun, festive idea. I'm using my Bristol paper for this project. I've read that Bristol paper is really good with Copic markers. I have not tried that theory out yet, but I've also used acrylic paint on it and it works really well. Like it absorbs all the water from it pretty well, and it has very minimal warping, so I really like this paper for that. So I'm over here cutting these sheets of paper in half and then just folding those pieces in half to make the cards. I thought those were really cute little sizes, so that's what I went with. I ended up making 4 Christmas cards, like cutting and folding 4 of them, but I had to get rid of the one of them I did because I ended up messing it up really bad. Like I didn't let the layers dry in between because it was the first one I did and I was kind of like being a little impatient and it kind of smudged and got all messed up. But I did end up painting 3 of them for this video, so that's still good. I used my little cutter thing that I got from Walmart, and honestly that thing is like a savior because, you know, it's not as expensive as a guillotine cutter. I think this thing was maybe like 15-20 bucks, which is not bad at all because, you know, if you get like an actual guillotine cutter, it's probably like, I don't know, quadruple that cost. So I'm happy with the thing that I found and it works pretty well, and yeah, I like it. So when I made these, I think the sheets were like 12 inches long, so I just put a little dot in the midway point where the 6-inch mark would be. I just cut it in half that way, and yeah, see, it's really easy just to pull that thing down and cut those in a straight line, which is a lifesaver because I cannot, for some reason, cut in a straight line at all, even with like scissors and like a ruler, like with the line already on it. I don't know why. I just somehow, some way, end up cutting it like all slanted every single time, and I have no idea why. But good thing I have my cutter, so I don't have to worry about that. So coming up here, I'll be showing my painting process, and I did do time lapse for that just so that wasn't so long because I did end up spending like hours painting these and I was not anticipating that, but that's kind of what happened. This first one was the original idea that I had that I ended up messing up, so this is the same concept, but I had to redo it over again because I messed it up really bad, so that's okay. So this was the second attempt of that design and it actually came out fine, so I was happy with that. And yeah, I really like that bottom color, that like minty color. That's like one of my favorite colors ever. I love that. That color and like cotton candy pink are my 2 favorites. I was just kind of making like a little like snowy scenery type of thing. But yeah, I like how that came out. I was gonna do a polar bear in that picture, but I didn't feel like I had enough room and I had already messed up that design previously, so I just kind of went with what I originally wanted with the simple little landscape design. I love peeling off the tape, that's my favorite part. This one was the ornaments, and this one took forever. I don't know why, it just so time consuming. It took me over an hour just to paint this, and I mean, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, but it was definitely really time consuming, and I would not recommend painting a bunch of ornaments. I'm just kidding. If you want to, go ahead, but mine were just so time consuming. Spent over an hour on this, and I mean, it does look pretty nice towards the end though, but it just was the most time consuming out of the 3. And then this next one here that I ended up painting, I don't know why, but some of the footage got lost of like me painting it, and then it only showed like me painting or me pulling off the tape, so I don't know what happened with that. But yeah, these were how they all turned out. I hope you guys like them. Let me know what videos you would like next for Vlogmas, and let me know which one of these was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!